Hey guys, Czar here. Good morning to you. Hope all is well. Trust you're having a good day. Happy Thirsty Thursday to you, September 18th, 2025. It's around 9:27 or so, 3 minutes to the New York Open. This is the daily frame. Of course, guys, we have a rampaging bull market up day here. We had new highs about an hour ago or so. All-time highs, that is, on the Nasdaq and the S&P, pulling back a little bit now, and here reversing a little bit here, guys. Up day, but that little body has just turned blue on the margin here, so really unchanged for the future session on the Dow. This is my trading grid, guys. Daily 30 and 1 minute chart. I'll sometimes use a 30-second chart in a fast market, but on the 30-minute time frame, guys, this is my zone frame. You can see that I have horizontal zones, just basic support and resistance. A child could do this. You'll see how we pushed up overnight in Asia, pulled back a little bit, nice orderly pullback, and then good strong move here this morning in London, guys. And then a new all-time high. Well, here, all these are new all-time highs, and then pulling back on these two 30-minute candles coming into the New York Open range. 1, 2. The third one, of course, will be the New York Open. And that happens in 1 minute and 10 seconds. I'll bring you back at that time. All right, guys, there's the 1 minute open range. We're looking at 37.25 points on the Nasdaq. S&P is 6.5 points. A little quiet here after this pulling down from all-time highs. Going to be very patient here this morning, guys. Had a good week so far, and I'm not about to give that all back. Obviously, up day here, guys. Very strong bullish body, pulling back a little bit here. This is the London Open range down here, guys. And there's the Asian Open range. I don't have any clarity, guys, here as to how to play this yet. Can't see myself jumping on longs inside of this candle here, although this is a naked body right there, small one. Good chance of it getting filled here. This piece right here. But above that, not convinced yet. S&P trying to push up as well. EMAs still very much inside the open range. I'm going to let a tug of war play out here, guys. I want to see how the New York players feel about what happened here in London, this big push up. They might not agree, although for now, additional buying is coming in. I'm going to ask you to remember the London and Asian open ranges, and I'm going to clear them from my chart. Keep things nice and clean. Nothing to do here, guys. Not a lot of juice in here. Small bodies, big wicks, blah, blah, blah. Pulling back into the open range on the Nasdaq. A little flip action going on here, guys. So immediately my dynamic open range becomes this. I'm using this blue color now for dynamic open range to differentiate from the pink. I'm colorblind, but I believe this is blue and I believe that is pink. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments. All right, guys, if we drop down here, I'm not going to do anything in this range. Just let it go. This is an up day near all-time highs. I need to remain bullish here for a while anyway. Dropping down now, guys, on the S&P and the Nasdaq, just below the open range. But this is a bull market, and so nothing for me to do here at this point. I would need something very compelling in order to short against that daily candle. We may get that. Anything's possible here. Very much prepared here for a no trade day, guys. I think I mentioned that earlier, but if I didn't. And finding a little bit of support here, guys, on the 1 standard deviation on NASDAQ. We're a bit lower than that here on S&P. Just wondering at what point do all those dip buyers come in and push this thing higher and blast it back above the open range, as we've seen so often lately. Bull market behavior. And now retesting the open range, guys, actually inside of the open range, retesting VWAP here on NASDAQ. Still below VWAP here on the S&P. And the trusty bulls are coming in, the dip buyers, to push this thing higher. Right on cue. So as long as we are grinding around, guys, inside of this leg here on the NASDAQ, I've got nothing to add. And so I'll just put you on pause until that changes. All right, guys, just marginally breaking that prior high. Back to the trading grid. I would now, as I mentioned, be using this leg here for my dynamic open range. Nothing to do here, guys. And if we break above here, guys, I'm not doing anything here either. I'm just going to let that go. So even though we're breaking to new highs here for the New York session, guys, this is a big concern for me. And so I want to see it, I don't know, break to new all-time highs and then maybe put in some structure. But it has to get going since it's already 10:05. And so I'm leaning towards no trades here. Again, unless something really dramatic happens. All right, guys, while this is grinding higher gradually here, I'm going to go put some laundry on, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back. It is nearly 11 a.m. I'm going to call it a day here. As you can see, we did push up into this area and then pull down a little bit higher here on the NASDAQ. We pushed up past the all-time high and then continued without any kind of a pullback to the 21. Eventually got one here, but of course too extended at that point for me. And we never got any kind of a buy signal here or a break above. That might still happen here today, guys. But at 11 a.m., I am done. Thanks for being here. Appreciate you. Have an amazing afternoon, and we'll talk soon.